you have already learnt about pronouns, and you know that pronouns are words which are used in place of nouns to avoid repetition. He is a very good painter. Now in this sentence, he is a pronoun and it is in the position of a subject. So it is a subject pronoun. So what are subject pronouns? Pronouns that take the place of the subject of a sentence are known as subject pronouns. For example, I, you, he, she, it, we, they, who. Bob has taken her for a movie. Now in this case, Bob is our subject and her is the object. So her is the object pronoun. So what are object pronouns? Pronouns that take the place of a direct or indirect object of a verb or preposition in a sentence are known as object pronouns. And me, you, him, her, it, us, them are different examples of object pronouns. I kicked the ball to John. John kicked the ball to me. So when the speaker is referring to himself or herself in the subject position, the speaker uses I. But when the speaker is referring to himself or herself in the object position, the speaker uses me. So what do we see? We see that I is the subject pronoun, but it becomes me as the object pronoun. So when we are talking of the first person, we actually mean the person speaking referring to himself or herself. So in the first person singular, we use I and me. I is used in the subject position and me is used in the object position. So we have I like Jane, but Jane likes me. But when we are referring to the first person, plural, then we use we and us. So in the subject position, we have we like Jane, but in the object position, we is changed to us and we have Jane likes us. So what do we see? That in the first person plural, the person speaking is referring to himself or herself along with others. Now the second person means the person spoken to. Now in case of the second person, whether it is singular or plural and whether it is subject or object, we have only one pronoun and that is you. So you like Jane, Jane likes you. Or in the plural case, you all like Jane, Jane likes all of you. So in the second person, we have only one pronoun, you. When we say the third person, we refer to the person or thing that is being spoken about. So when we refer to the third person singular, depending on the gender, we use she or he or it as the subject and we use her or him or it as the object. So she likes Jane, she is the subject, whereas Jane likes her, her is the object. Similarly, he likes Jane, he is in the subject position and referring to a singular noun, whereas Jane likes him. It is new, it is in the subject position, but Jane bought it. Here it is in the object position. When we are referring to the third person in plural, which means that we are referring to persons or things when we are speaking, then we use they in the subject position and we use them in the object position. So we have they like Jane and Jane likes them. Both subject and object pronouns are personal pronouns. A personal pronoun is a pronoun that refers to a particular person, group or thing which takes the place of a noun in a sentence. A personal pronoun takes different forms depending on the person, number and gender. We have already seen previously how this takes place. Now let us do this exercise. Fill in the blanks with appropriate personal pronouns. Tim and Jim are brothers. Dash live near Mac's house. I know Dash very well. The options given to us are them, they, he, her. Now to fill the first blank, we need to use a subject pronoun. Now Tim and Jim refer to third person plural. So what pronoun will we use in such a case? We will use they. So we have Tim and Jim are brothers. They live near Mac's house. Now to fill the second blank, we need a pronoun in the object position. I know Dash very well, and we know that we use them when we are referring to plural nouns in the object position. So we have Tim and Jim are brothers. They live near Mac's house. I know them very well. So what did we learn today? Today we have learned that there is a special kind of pronoun known as personal pronouns. Now personal pronouns can either be subject pronouns or object pronouns, and personal pronouns depend on the person, the gender and the number of the nouns. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com or download the DeltaStep app to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You can also win amazing prizes like PlayStation, iPad, watches and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So learning at DeltaStep is not just fun and easy, it is also rewarding. So register for free now.